Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I haven't filmed a video in so long. It feels so good to film a new video. I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's bounty box for this month. I'm so excited to get into it. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section down below. They have amazing subscription boxes like this one that comes with a beautiful jewelry pendant. I am wearing one from a previous box that is amazing. You guys should totally check them out. They have a moon market and amazing magical tools to help you along your spiritual journey. Without further ado, let's get into here, guys. I can't wait to see what's inside. Do you guys like my background? This is the start of me decorating my TV stand with my mom's help. It's all got that magical vibe to it. I just love the Witch's Moon, guys, how they have their stuff packaged so nice, like nothing is coming out or gonna break. Like, it's always so amazing. So let's see what the theme for this month is. It looks like the theme for this month is the Shield of Athena, guys. When I hear that, like, ooh, this sounds exciting. It's so very easy to fall in the trap of being tired, overwhelmed, or drained of energy due to negative and low vibrational thought patterns. It is often that these symptoms tend to last throughout days, months, or even years. This is the great enemy of creativity, perseverance, growth, and attainment. When one is stuck on their journey, it is often to be credited to confusion on where they stand, unable to step into their true and magnificent self, vibrating with energy, commitment, and an overwhelming need to act and progress. In this very special collection, we work with a very rare stone to reunite ourselves with our true purpose, revitalizing our perceptions and pushing us forward. The magical items in this box are as follows. Did you guys hear that? Everything is going to be for you to read at the end of the video, but this is being told from a high spiritual person's point of view, from a master, a mystic, like someone that knows their ish. I'm so excited. What is the stone? What's in this box? So I'm so curious what's in here, guys. This is the cute little Book of Shadows artwork. I will be having close-ups for you. It says Pearl of the Divine Fire. The Pearl of Divine Fire, or Ankimantic, is the stone of exemplary self, evoking an inner drive to live the greatest good. Ankimantic manifests the solar fires of aspiration for creativity, truth, beauty, benevolence, and the devotional consistency to find meaning and in tune to make life meaningful. Beautiful depiction of that goddess Athena. I can't wait. What is this stone, guys? I could barely pronounce it. I'm like butchering it. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. This must be a piece of it. It looks like this is a piece of hematite in this bag, guys. So in the little pouch, there's a crystal, and this is totally hematite. So we got a beautiful piece of this. This is a tumbled hematite to accompany you on your path. We have included a piece of tumbled hematite. Carry this stone with you throughout your day. Place upon your altar to benefit from the wonderful grounding and calming energies. So beautiful, guys. Got a little piece of hematite, and I love their tumble stones they send us, guys. If I'm honest, I have them all stored somewhere, so when I want to work with the energy or do my sutras or prayers and things I add into my magic layers, I use them as counters to know how much I'm doing. But these tumbles are so fun to put in like your purse, your backpack, your pocket, and they're just so comforting to hold. So I love how they always include a good old tumble stone. The thing that we've all been waiting for, guys, is the jewelry pendant for this month. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what it is. Oh, I think it's upside down, guys. I feel it intuitively. And I was right. The necklace is upside down how I was holding it. It's supposed to be this way, so it's upright. So I'm so excited. What is it? Is there the moon phases around this? This is so pretty, guys. So this is sterling silver pearl of fire. This is so cool. I really like how they have the custom-made box to hold your pendant when you don't wear it, but the backing is open, guys, on the jewelry pendant. So the cool part about the jewelry thing being open, if like it's lower on your chest or anything, it just touches your skin and it just gives you all the benefits of the crystal. It's better when it touches your skin, so that is such a neat feature. I love how it's sterling silver. It's very beautiful, showing all the moon phases, and within the middle is the pearl of fire. This is so beautiful, guys, and I feel like this would look nicer because for my work I wear a lot of black. You'll see a little bit of silver, but I feel like if I wore a white button-up shirt, have it unbuttoned a little bit, and this on my bare like skin would look so nice. I'm just in love with this pendant. I cannot wait to wear this to work tomorrow, guys. It's just so beautiful. So thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for this beautiful magical piece of Athena, that goddess, and the beautiful energies within to help us calm all those crazy thoughts and things and perceptions that we need to ascend and become enlightened. So let's read what this is all about. So the Pearl of Divine Fire, guys, also known as Ankimantic, is a shield pendant, a rare and uncommon form of tektite. Oh my gosh, this means this is a power boost for sure. Ankimantic can be found on the island of Java, Indonesia. The Ankimantic was created by a meteorite crash over the Indonesian archipelago. The name Ankimantic translates into pearl of divine fire due to how this special type of tektite was formed. I'm seeing green energy all around this paper right now, guys. I'm feeling the energy of the stone. The Ankimantic is considered to be one of the stones of Kashira due to how its energies correlate to the Kundalini, similar to Moldavite in some ways. The Pearl of Fire pushes transformation forward and urges us to start the process of tasks that have been placed on the back burner for too long, yet hold high importance onto our personal path. This may include art projects, unwritten poems, books, or simply creating something that you have always thought about but have not had the inspiration to begin. Commonly referred to as the initiation stone, the Pearl of Fire brings a fierce passion to our inner convictions, reigniting the creative spark that may have been easy to obtain earlier on your journey. We strongly associate the sacred stone with Athena, due to its overwhelming characteristics of courage, morality, intelligence, education, and strength. It is so easy for us to get distracted by negative self-thoughts and low self-esteem. The Pearl of Fire is a wonderful companion on our inspired journey, pushing us towards stepping into our true self, brimming with confidence, skill, excitement. While wearing this stone, you will often find that you have more physical energy than you usually do, ready to start new adventures and living life more fully. In addition to these qualities, the Pearl of Fire provides us with a sense of sharp focus, gifting us with the ability to maintain our flow state for longer periods of time. This Ankimantic has been set within a shield frame surrounded by the phases of the moon, representing our connections with the divine feminine. As you work with this stone and become familiar with its benefits, we urge you to put your foot forward towards accomplishing those things that you've always thought about. We truly hope that this stone inspires and drives you forward on your path. Including with this box is a cord chain necklace clasp that you may wear. This is so cool, guys. I feel like everyone knows how 2020 went, and that yet alone was a push for me to do everything, so that's neat that the stone will help with that too. So little things we've been wanting to do, it'll help us get them accomplished, inspire us like a muse. And while wearing this, guys, you can call on the goddess Athena, you can call on a muse to help you out. And I just love this because you guys probably can't tell, but I'm wearing this necklace from the Witch's Moon. Inside of it, it's like a little vial, so you could put a little potion, herbs, crystals. I'm wearing cosmic space dust, so that's kind of like a tektite in a way. And then the smaller necklace you guys can barely see as a jewelry grade piece of Moldavite, so I'm actually wearing the energy of what this is out of this realm energy from like above, from heaven, slash the galactic nation up there. So this is just so cool to have another form of tektite, guys. I'm just so happy. I have Moldavite now, Cosmic Space Dust, this one, and I have another just basic tektite crystal too. So I'm just so happy. Thank you, Witch's Moon, for growing my collection. I'm so in love with this pendant. I love how it's got the divine feminine energy and the meteorite. Like, I'm so happy with all the meaning of the stone. Cannot wait to rock it and wear it with a white button-up shirt for my work. And besides that, guys, I'll show you what else is in here. So this is that little cord rope necklace you can wear with, or you can also order chains from the Witch's Moon, like a sterling silver necklace chain, or you can buy your own on the side and add the pendant on, guys, which is also amazing. And it looks like we also got some other stuff. Ooh, this smells good. This is a Heavenly Hearth ritual incense stick, guys, so that's really neat. I love their ritual incense. They're amazing. And besides that, guys, it looks like we got a little potion for this month. I can't wait to see what it is. I just love unboxing these every month, guys. These make my month, and it's just like filling it with like magic, and I love it so much. And I love when the Witch's Moon does their little magical anointing oils, their potions in these clear bottles, because you can see the like clear quartz crystal they put in there, guys. You could see all the herbs. I just love it being see-through. Like, I know certain ones they don't do it like this because it's in an amber bottle or the blue light bottle, so it protects it from the sun, because the sun kills certain things within it for its scent properties and keeping it like last longer and all that. This smells very protective, guys. I'm not going to read everything that it's about, but it's called the Shield of Athena, so you guys can get a little hint of what it is. And when I smell it and the herbs within, it's a very protective scent. It just scents all the protective energy within it that they have blessed within it. With the herbs, it's just very protective, so I love that. And it's also kind of grounding too, guys, but with that Tectite energy, I'm feeling a little elevated to a divine energy. Feeling that nirvana. So let's see what else is in here. One of the last things that's in here, guys, is this spell candle. It looks like either a midnight blue color / black. Okay, yeah, this is midnight blue. So we got a neat midnight blue candle. We can totally use to meditate, use it for a spell, use it to connect with Athena. Like, the options are endless, and I love how they incorporate this beeswax candle. It burns so clean, and it's amazing. Once again, thank you Witch's Moon for such an amazing Witch's Bounty box for the month of May. I just love getting these boxes every month. They make my month so much, and I get so overwhelmed with joy and love wearing your beautiful necklaces. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below, guys, so you could get their Witch's Bounty box, their Roots box, and their Moon box. They have so many neat subscription services, as well as just having a magical moon market, where if you liked anything within the box, they sell some jewelry pendants separately that have been within the box that are limited for that sometimes. They sell wands, crystals, candles, tarot cards, spiritual tools that are custom made, and you can just get a Book of Shadows page for charkas if you guys want. You can buy a carnelian stone if you want to heal that solar down there lower charkas. Like, the options are endless. They're amazing. Let them know that I sent you guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all of my future content. Thanks again, Witch's Moon. Thank you for watching, everyone, and like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit. In the name of Nyx, goddess of the night, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. And so it is, so mote it be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.